I'm Cyril from Loyola ICM College of Engineering Technology, Chennai. I'm basically a hostler, currently residing in Trichy. I'm doing my mechanical engineering research. I have completed my diploma from Steve Ignish Polytechnic College in Trichy, and I have completed 2 years of my work in Sunmore Engineering Technologies Private Limited, where I gained a lot of knowledge in production, manufacturing, assembly, and like foundry operations, and so on. I have received a seminar, it's not a seminar, it's like a webinar, mid of the August or something. I really inspired by the speaker. It made me choose the career labs. Like he said, all the operations going on with the career labs, like how you are providing support to the people who are needing that. From preparing the resumes to landing in the job, I really got inspired from them, and I applied for the same on the same day. First of all, I really did my aptitude tests and other things, the diagnosis and those sort of things in during my first job 3 to 4 years before. It really went like I don't know where I lagging and where I missed something. Like I just logged into the system and go on whatever I know. So it made me like go with the flow. I kind of planned to retry the things like training on the aptitudes and something technical aspects and so on. After that only, after the results came from the diagnosis tests, I got call from Miss Kritika Srinivasan. She called me right after the results came up from the diagnosis tests, and she explained things like how we are going to work and what are the career paths available. I asked for designing field of work. So she said like we have tool designing, structural designing, and analysis, and so on. And I choose the general designing part. So as it may help me in the future, I decided as we are moving on to the additive manufacturing field. So we more like doing the old school technologies in the tool designing. I have got hands with starter packs courses like design engineering with SolidWorks and structural stress engineering with CATIA V5 and design engineering with CATIA V5, and along with I got some mechatronics starter pack. Gained so much knowledge. I have worked with SolidWorks in my engineering courses. Like it has a lab, SolidWorks modeling. This starter packs has helped me to get to know the basics tools and how to create objects from wireframe to solid and so on. After completing the starter pack course, I have chosen the design engineering with CATIA V5 as I would like to know more about the CATIA and its operations. So I chose that one. Went like from the starter pack. Some of the videos were in the starter pack, and in the advanced course were like matching. So I kind of really redoing the starter pack, and to some extent, after 10 percentage or 20 percentage completion, I have moved on to the advanced course, like deep down the technologies and operations and process in the CATIA V5. I have completed the course in between like December to January and gained the certificate too. In the CV building, I came to know like how are the CV building works, like what are the important components from the preface to overview of our profile and so on till the completion. The last month webinar, the current month webinar, like ACO interviews and HR panels, like how to get things done for the interview and so on. I really like the way that the last session was handled. Like what are the skills needed and which are the rounds are there in the interviews, and how to prepare specifically for them. Like if you go for an IT industry, what are the skill sets needed, and how to read the job descriptions and so on. And from for the HR panel, what to expect and how we are going to satisfy them, what are the important things to say to them, and what are not important things that should not be said to them. As far as I communicated that the career support team in the Telegram were really helping me out. Like I asked them in the group and also in private, like how can I complete this job, or how can I complete this specific part of the course in the aptitude and communication skills in the career labs portal. It's like a classroom portal, and I I really use the mail support team for my getting my certificates and getting my doubts clarified from starter packs to the advanced courses. Really good. They responded too quickly. Like within 12 hours or 10 hours or so. They reply fast and clarifying me in the mails. Like I have not trained in the aptitude or something like that technical in-depth technical for the interviews, so I think it's better to have in hand, like starting from the first year they should know how to tackle the aptitude questions and the interview questions from the basics. And for the skill set you need, first we need to decide what and where we need to go. Like I choose designing, so it will be a great put for me to experience in that field and move on to next level. So if you choose your skill set and fine tuning them in a correct way from the beginning, you can easily land in the job in the third year or in the final year.